In this video, I'll show you a really quick way of adding new rows and columns to tables directly on the page. As you can see, I've already got a table and it's populated with data. If you already have an existing table, open it now. If not, you can create a table using the Table tool from the Tools toolbar on the left. OK, first we'll look at adding blank columns. Click on your table to select it. Just after the last column, click the arrow in the header. A new column will be added onto the end of the table. If you want to add multiple columns at once, click on the arrow and then drag out to the right. New columns will begin to appear, one after the other. If you insert too many columns, click on the arrow and drag to the left, towards the existing data. Any empty columns will be removed. Similarly, to add additional rows, click the arrow in the header just after the last row in your table. Or, to add multiple rows, click and drag the arrow down towards the bottom of the page. To remove rows, click on the arrow and drag upwards. Empty rows will be removed. You can then add your table content as required. If you want to add a new column in between existing columns, click the arrow in the header at the top of the column and select Insert Columns from the drop-down list. Type in the number of columns you want to insert and choose whether they will be added before or after the currently selected column. It's the same procedure with rows. Click the arrow at the start of your chosen row and click Insert Rows. Set the options as before. To finish, I'll show you how to edit cell properties for your new columns and rows, and the rest of the table. Select your table by clicking on its bounding box. Alternatively, select individual cells by dragging. Right-click and select Table, then Cell Properties. From here, you can modify your table, for example by adding borders. On the Border tab, choose the border you want to add. When you select a thumbnail, the preview will update to show you what the border will look like. The top left option will add a border to all cells in the table. Click Line Style to edit the appearance of your border. When you're happy, click OK and OK again to close both dialogues. The border will be added to the table. And that's it. To find out more about PagePlus, see the Learn section of the Startup Assistant. Thanks for watching.